everybody, my name is Tina Huân and I am from Vietnam. I have moved to America for 10 years and I attended San Diego Community College since 2009. I am currently working full-time as a medical laboratory technician at Scripps Hospital for 3 years. This is my third semester going back to school after I got my degree as medical laboratory technician at Miramar in 2013. The reason I am going back to school is to continue my bachelor degree in medical lab science. I like listening to pop music and watching comedy movies when I have free time. To me, I think literature is the essential part of our lives as it makes us have to think and evaluate what we have read in any story or to understand how people expressions in reality. I hope everybody enjoy this class and learning a lot of useful things that will be with us in our life. Good luck everybody. Thank you. Bye bye.